Multi-angle shooting. The 3 Rupees Pro, Ronin-S 2 vehicle expansion accessory enables independent filmmakers to capture natural moments with a clear, smooth and fresh perspective, realizing shooting from a height down. Bullet point. Long-distance power supply function. Remote power supply can be realized through the pan-tilt power supply adapter and battery power adapter in conjunction with the handle battery. Shooting is more professional. The pan-tilt can be controlled by wire through the control handle to achieve remote focus, video, joystick and other control functions. Diversified usage scenarios. Suitable for shooting scenes such as vehicles, slides, ropeways, rockers, etc. Bullet point. Specially designed for DJI RS 3 Pro, 2 Rupees. Top review from the United States. Great product. Works well and easy to assemble, break down. Great pair for any 2 Rupees rig.